Hi again. Apparently I can't stop buying stuff, but I will tell you that when Jeff and I go to garage sales and estate sales and things like that, part of it is just for the fun of doing it. It's always fun to find things, and I hope this haul isn't as big as last week's, but we went to a subdivision-wide garage sale. There was 5, 10, there must have been 12 or 13, 14 sales in this one subdivision. And you know, you'd drive a little ways and then you'd walk to all of the sales, and then you'd drive a little ways further and walk to all of the sales. And we had a really good time. And then there was a big church garage sale. So I did find a few things, and these I thought these were really interesting. I have a few of these, but they don't look like this. Mine look like this. And these, there was some really pretty colors in there. There's the green ones. Okay, that one's a little different too. And these make fun little tag things and embellishments in your journals. Let me see, there's blue ones. That's what I'm missing, is the blue ones, which are not nickels. There we go. And I had never seen any that had this kind of a pattern on it before, so I thought those were fun, and they will make really fun embellishments. So that was one of the things I got. And then somewhere else I got these, and these are buttons. And well, some of them will be harder to use because they're not exactly what I would use. I really wanted these. And the pencils. And I thought, you know, for general purposes, some of them I won't use because they're very school days kind of thing. But there was enough in this bag that I knew I would use. These are ceramic too, so they would make fun little journal charms. And so I got the whole bag, I think for $1. I'm not sure. And like I said, the other thing is that as far as the letters and things go, I could pop the back off of these and paint them black or do something like that with them to ink them, to change them, make them grunged up a little more. Oh, let's do the garage sale first, the yard sales first. And y'all know I was just to a really nice book sale at the library, but I couldn't help myself. These were from 2 different places. And this is an electrical guide, and I just loved the illustrations in here. And of course the paper is yummy. I need to do some kind of steampunky something with some of these too, because but I thought the illustrations were fabulous. This alone, like a mark, I mean, for a collage, that piece is just awesome. And the books were not expensive. If they had been, I wouldn't have bought them because, like I said, I've just recently been to a really nice book sale. So, plus, I really kind of liked this cover. It's embossed, and it is a nice size for a little journal. So, I don't know if I might do something with that. That is actually why I bought this one. I bought this one because of the leather for the journal, the cover. The cover is just absolutely yummy. And it's definitely getting turned into a journal just like it is. Probably a junk journal of some sort. It will have to have some sort of closure on it. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it yet, but I had to have it just for the cover. Now, it does have, the pages are beautiful. They're a little bit brittle. Let me see. How bad is it? Not terrible. That one was already folded and it didn't tear. So, they'll be, the pages themselves will be good to use. There again, there was some nice illustrations. And of course the cover is in sad shape, but oh, it was just too pretty to not get. So I got that one. And then recently I talked about doing a bird journal. And I know I have tons of things I could use to do a cover for a bird journal. But when I saw this, it said, you have to do a bird journal with this one. Now it's going to have to be bigger than this. That spine is too small. So I'll just take the spine off and do some sort of spine on it. Maybe a fabric covered one even. And of course somebody scribbled in it, but that's all right. The other thing is the illustrations in this one is just absolutely yummy. Some of the pages are pulled out. Some of them are colored. But there are some beautiful, beautiful pages in here. Beautiful illustrations. And so I am definitely gonna start putting together stuff to make a bird journal. I really think that this is, you know, something I want to do. Somewhere along the line, I had to go back into Hobby Lobby, and I recently bought some fabric that had some cute little foxes and other little animals on it. And they had this little bag of confetti, and it's got little foxes and little squirrels, mushrooms. I think there's a little hedgehog in here. And I got this to go with that fabric to do some little journals. I'm going to do some little journals up for my mom to give to the girls at the assisted living center where she lives, for, you know, just to say thank you at Christmas time. I got to get that done. That's one of those things I haven't done yet. I also had to go into Ollie's and found some things I wanted to try. And, you know, with Ollie's, you can get things like this less expensive. So I wanted to try them and see how they worked. Plus, these are a really cool napkin. Yeah, so these were 59 cents for this napkin. And that just looks like my kind of art. So I'm sure I'll use those. But these are metallic outline markers. They have a color outside of a silver. So I'll have to try those out, maybe in one of my live streams. And then these were Crayola Easy Peel Crayon Pencils. And they look like, this is well, that's a charcoal pencil, but I have, somewhere in there, I have one of those oil pencils like my husband uses outside in the garage. They're really China markers. It's called a China marker. That's what it's called. Somewhere in there I have a China marker. And this might, nope, that's not it. I'm not finding it. Don't know what I did with it. And I'm thinking these might be a lot like a China marker. So I thought I would try those. There again, Ollie's has usually pretty good prices. And Crayola products are usually pretty good. I mean, if it's not, it's not. And I won't have wasted a lot. And I got 2 of these because these are black sketch diaries. They were $3. And this is black paper. Now I have black cardstock, but not black paper. And I thought that, and you know, it's hard to buy black paper. So this is supposedly sketch paper, but it's a little heavier than copy paper. It is really smooth on one side, not so smooth on the other side. Let me see how many pages are in here. 50 sheets, and they're 8.5 by 11 inches. So, I should have stuck with 1, but I had to have 2. It's just, like I said, I have black cardstock, but I don't have any black paper, and every once in a while you want something that's lighter weight. Then, of course, you know, we have to do the Dollar Tree thing every so often. And, I have several of these that are from fall and things like that. But there again, I was thinking about the fact that I want to do some Christmas journal things. And so I did get, this one is Poinsettias. They had these in more colors. I didn't get but just these 2 because I have enough of that kind of stuff that I didn't need a whole pile. And then this one is like snow. Come on, where's the end? Huh, that's interesting. There it is. Like snowflakes. And I have some scrapbook paper and things that will go well with this color. So I got those. I'm a little more conservative in Dollar Tree than I used to be because, you know, at $1.25 it adds up a little faster. I had to have these, of course. Let's open one of these and see if a lot of Dollar Tree napkins are only, and I've been in Dollar Tree several times and the other Dollar Tree and not seen these for fall. So, but you guys know how I am about leaves, so. Oh, goody, because looky there. There, it's a full panel. Oh, that'll get used a lot. I can, yeah. Yep. Not only that, I might Mod Podge down a whole sheet of this onto some paper and then fussy cut some of these out just to have them for embellishments. Because they would make good embellishments. One of the things I did notice about this, though, is that most of the time there's 20 or so napkins in the package, and they've gone down to 14. So not only are they charging you more, they're also giving you less, which kind of is irritating. But I can see this one being used a lot. So I did get it. I got this. I have several things for putting fussy cut images in, like these. I put magazine images in here, and I have other things for if it's heavier paper than magazine images. It works better in some other organizational tools. But see how this does this? It's kind of hard for me to take on a trip in the camper. So I got this to put fussy cut images in because I think it might be better for the camper, just to, in the space I have. that I think this might work better for the camper. So that's why I got that. I had looked at them before and thought, maybe, maybe not. And then I decided it would work. And then I did not need any fabric, but of course I had to have some. I've had quite an obsession with bugs lately, I guess. So this one just said, you have to go home with Tanya. This one has bees on it. It's like little honey jars. It's got a honeycomb background, the bees, the jars. And I thought that would be, I can always coffee dye it to make it look more vintage. And I thought that one would be really cool. Then I got this one. This one is a holiday one too. Okay, let me look at this other. Yeah. You see the difference in the color of the Crafter Square mark? This is the color of stuff that is for the holidays. Let's see, this is the Christmas one. See, this one's green. So the Christmas ones, okay, I've lost one of the things. The Christmas ones for Crafter Square are green, where the everyday ones, it looks like, are this, I don't know if they're the pink color or whatever, but Crafter Square is doing this thing where their holiday things are a special color. So if it's something holiday, you want to get it because they won't get it again right now. They might get it next year, but okay, this one's really on there. I hope it's not stuck to the fabric like that. And this one is just spider webs. Isn't that cool? It's got a little black spider, and then it's gray background and spider webs. And I've gotten some other spidery kind of Halloween-y things that I'm thinking about doing a Edgar Allan Poe journal. So that is why I got that one. This one is just kind of vintagey. I just really thought, and I think some coffee on some of this might be a good idea. I may do that ahead of time. But I really was pleased with my garage sale finds as well as my Ollie's finds. Like I said, I wouldn't have gotten these at the regular store because I wouldn't have paid $10 for markers. But I thought they were worth trying out and seeing if I liked them. And I just couldn't go past these books. These books just called my name. Sometimes things do that. They just yell out and say, grab me, grab me. I don't need any napkins, but I sure bought a few. So anyways, guys, I want to tell you, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.